Hey, everybody. Are you leaving money on the table? Now, why am I even saying that? I just recently kind of rediscovered a fairly new feature inside of HighLevel. It's fairly new, but I have to admit, I haven't been using it. And it's like throwing money out the window. What am I talking about? I'm talking about video testimonials. Now, we've all been there. We deliver, excellent service. Our customers are just happy as clams, right? They're dancing around. This is great. But what happens like the day after? You're quickly forgotten, right? And, you've probably reached out to people and say, hey, would you give me a testimonial? And they say, sure. And then it never happens. And even if you send them like kind of a pre-printed, hey, just mention how we did this, this, and that. It's just one more thing on people's plate. Well, HighLevel has a super easy way that you can just send them a link and ask them to, are you ready? Record a quick little video. Now, let me say this, most people panic, when we think about getting on video, but it's your job just to let them know how easy it is. And just press the button and just pretend like you're talking to me and let me know what you loved about working with me. That's all I'm looking for. And then it will deliver something authentic and you can share that. And why do I say leaving money on the table? Because it's all about getting that real life testimonial from people that causes other people to want to spend their money with you. So let me share my screen and I'm just going to show you how easy it is to set up. So let me just push all these buttons here, share this, and let me hop into HighLevel. Now, over here on the left, when you're inside of your account, if you go all the way down to reputation and you click that, and then up here at the top, and I realize I haven't even done any training on a lot of the reputation features here, so it's on my to-do list. So stay tuned for further videos on that. So up here in the middle where it says video testimonials, the first thing that you'll want to do is create a collector. All right, so that's just basically setting everything up so that you can send the link and people can click it and just give you some fabulous feedback. Now, I already have one set up here, so let me just click on that, and I'm just going to quickly walk you through how it is. Over here on the left, the welcome page, and then over here on the right is what people will see. And in the middle, you just fill it out, super easy. So the title here, and notice here, it says it could be different than your collector's internal name. So I have my little logo up here at the top, and I just said, we'd love to hear from you, or, you can say anything you want. You can put your name, you can put your business name. I just put on there, we'd love to hear from you. And then the next spot here, the spokesperson, you just upload your picture so they can remember who it is that they're talking about. And then I put my business name down here and my email. Again, all of this is customizable. You just do what works for you. And then the next thing down here, how it works, a short description about how everything works. And then it's got a little subject line and then a little text here so you can see over here. So on mine, I just said video is easy. Share your experience. And then I just said, don't be shy. Your feedback helps us to grow and inspire others to join our journey. No downloads needed. Just hit record and share your story. So you can word this however you want, okay? And then the final thing here, a short message from your collector spokesperson. And again, if you're a business and there's more than just one person, maybe it's Susie that is the front-facing person that deals with people. Hey, I'm a one-woman show, so it's all about me here. So that's the welcome message. Now, over here to the right, you can click right now. We're looking at the mobile view. If I click on the desktop, this is what the desktop view looks like. And then here we could just click it to see the live page. Okay, so there's that. Then coming back over here to the left, you come down to the questions page. Now you can have up to 3 questions. Now let me say this. Each question will give them an opportunity to answer, push the record button and answer it. Then it goes to the next one. Quite honestly, you could just put everything under just one question if you want. Okay, so I'm not going to change that for right now. And then the next setup here, the attribution page, this is where we just gather their information. So we need to know who it is that's responded. And then most importantly, notice what it says down here. By checking this box, you consent to the use of your video for marketing purposes. So you can just rest assured that you don't have to do anything else. You've got their permission. And then the last one, just the thank you page, all done. Thanks for taking time to respond. We truly appreciate it. Now, quite honestly, I could fill this out a little more. I could actually use this as maybe I have referral coupons or special VIP purchases for returning clients. I mean, there's lots of things you could do. As I said at the beginning, I just kind of ignored this. And it's like, I don't know why, because this is a beautiful asset in your business. All right. And now coming back over here to the left, you can do your settings, your logo, your color, all of that kind of stuff. I've already set all of that up. Click save, give it a title up here at the top, and you are good to go. Okay. And then let me come back in here. Let me just click on this page here and we'll just do a quick little walkthrough. Okay, so this is what people would see when you send them the link, and then let's go. So here it is, step 1 of 3. Again, you can customize all of this however you want. So just, hey, pick a quiet spot. I really need to ramp this up a little bit because what I want to remind people is it's not about finding the perfect words. I just want them to speak about their experience. All right. So I'm going to go ahead. This is going to be kind of weird recording of a recording while I'm talking, but let's just do this. So whenever I push that button, this is what people will see. And again, the message over on this side, I could just tell them, tell me what was the favorite thing about working with me. Okay. So now I'm going to push the record button. Gives me a countdown. Yes, I loved working with Debbi Starr because she's so patient with me. I was back and forth as far as what I wanted to launch. She has a way of just digging into my mind and pulling out the best offer that I have. And then the most beautiful thing is she just put it all together on the back end. Then when the person is all done, we click that and it processes that video. It's processing 50% here. We'll just give it a minute and then confirm the upload. Now, let me say this. The beautiful thing is people can click the button here. Gives them a chance to review it. If they don't like it, they can just exit. If they like it, then we're just going to confirm that. All right, now back here, remember I said that there were 2 questions. In real life, I'm just going to combine all of mine under one here. And so here, would you recommend us? So I'm just going to do this. So I'll hit the record again. Would I recommend working with Debbi Starr? Yes, definitely, 100%. Don't overthink it, just hire her. And you can see the same flow here. It's processing it, and then it'll give me a chance to review the video, and then I can upload it. Okay, and now we get to step 3, and this is where we put in the information. And then we're going to submit it, and then all done. Okay. So let me come back here for a minute. So do you see how easy that was to set it up? The key really is to guide your people. One, we don't want people just to say, yeah, she was great, hire her. Why was she great, she or he? Okay. What made working with you useful for them to help them get from A to B? Now I have a document that I'll share with you that lists 5 targeted questions that you can kind of prompt your people for to walk them through to give the best testimonial, because we want people to be very specific. We want them to be authentic, genuine, all of that kind of stuff. But we also want them to specifically talk about like what they were struggling with, what did their life look like before they worked with you, and now that they've worked with you after the fact, how are things so much better? So that guide will just walk you through that. So I'll put the link down below and you can grab it and then go from there. All right, now let me just hop back over here. And let me come back here. And then you can see now that I've got 2 responses on this template. Okay. Now in other videos, I'll talk about how you can get your reviews to show up automatically on your web page, your landing page, and what you can do with it. But for now, let me come back here so I can see you. For now, what your assignment is, go out there and set this up. I mean, you saw it takes less than 5 minutes, so there's no excuse. And then in the next video, we'll talk about how can you get into a system or a routine of asking for these recommendations, these referrals, testimonials, so that the rest of the world can see how great you are. All right. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I would love if you did that. Share this video with somebody you think that could benefit from it. All right. Thanks for watching. See you next time.